Hello, this is Eric. This broadcast is for both of my channel, Redjet 505 and RC Monster Garage. Yes, look at this. My contraption is ready. So, my paintball gun attachment that we're going to put on a car is ready to go. And you can do it at full 360 in pretty high speed. And you can change up and down, no problem at all. Pretty quick, and we still have to put the sight on it, but look at this. I have here my channel 5. Let's set it up to the air. There's no bullets or anything, it's like paintball, and we're just gonna shoot. 3, 2, 1. So we all set up. Yeah, it is working like a dream. Come on baby, make my day. And this is my kind of platform that will sit on a 1/5 scale. This thing is pretty big. You can see by my assistant hands over there how small they are near this thing. And again, this is what we're doing the last couple videos. I hope that you guys learn how to design stuff in your head and make it. It's really cool. It can go up, down. It's pretty violent, like the movement on it. It's not attached to anything. My friend just holding it on the table. Don't forget like, subscribe and share, because we gonna run this. I'm just gonna show how to load it again. What I do, I just load this. When you're gonna have actually paintball bullet inside, it's gonna be automatic, so it's gonna shoot couple rounds. And then we set it up to where we want it, and we press the channel that we want, and here it is. Yes, working like a dream. Don't forget like, subscribe and share. And if you like to see more cool project, just write down below right there. After you like and subscribe, write in the comment what you like to see and I will actually build it. Bye.